Alright guys, I've been asked by Lighting Ever to do a review on their 15 watt LED work light. This light here is constructed of aluminum and ABS plastic. It's pretty heavy duty. It's got a nice carrying handle, so you can carry it around with you, and it also works as a stand where you can set it down somewhere and it'll stay that way, you know, depending where you put it. It has a, looks like a 1/4 inch hole back here, and it comes with a knob too, where you can put it to your work light stand and, you know, aim it wherever you want and however you want. Okay. It's got some cool features. It's got 3 modes that I'll go through with you. The light, it's got a very bright mode, medium mode, and it's got a flashing mode. In the back here, it's got some USB ports I want to show you and how the on and off switch works. Alright guys, some of the features this has on the back here are, you have a standard USB cable. Now here you can plug it into any USB charger, say here, like that. Then you'll plug this into the wall and the unit will start charging. Another way of charging it is, let me put this back, is get a your standard USB charging cable with a micro USB on the other end. Plug this end into your charger and then plug that into the wall. And then on this end, you would put this end into the micro USB, and now it's charging. Now this has 25, 50, 75, and 100%. When this stops flashing and all 4 are lit up solid, that means it's fully charged. Right now we're at 75%. Alright, in the back here, with your other standard USB, what you would do is plug in your USB charging cable, and on the other end here you plug it into your phone. Now this will charge your phone, so you don't have to worry about your battery dying on you. And then the power switch mode works like this. You click it once and it tells you your battery status. You click it again, it goes into bright mode. You click it again, it goes medium. You click it again and it flashes. And click it again and it shuts off. Now it's got a dimming mode. And how that works is click that, click it on, and then you push and hold it and it'll start dimming the light on you. And then you let go wherever you want it to stop dimming. Click it again, it goes to the second mode, which is your medium light, flash, and off. And it always goes through those cycles. So the first light is dimmable, this is bright, this is medium, and if I push and hold it, it'll start dimming, and then I can let go and stop it where I want if it's too bright. So the flashing mode don't work that way, it just flashes. Alright guys, so let me go through some of the specifications of this light, and then we're going to go test it outside. Alright, as I mentioned earlier, this light has 3 modes. It's got full brightness and it's 1500 lumens, and that's a nice white daylight light. It's got a half brightness of 750 lumens, and it's got a flashing white light. And this is it has a water resistance of IP64 rating. So you can splash on it, water on it, you can put it out in the rain, so it's good for that. It's got the multi-function bracket, and like I said, you can connect it to a work light stand, and according to this, it's got a 310 degree adjustability to it. Again, you can use it outdoors, you can use it for work light, hiking, camping, hunting, and those kinds of things. The battery, it's got a 2 built-in 3.7 volt 18650 lithium ion batteries. Those are pretty good batteries. I've used those. The total capacity is 4,400 milliamp hours. The material again is aluminum and ABS plastic, and you can recharge this unit like I showed you with most any 5-volt 2-amp USB charger. Alright guys, so let's go take this outside. I'll show you again the functions, but at night, and you know how it really looks like, and the brightness of the light, and see what you think. Alright guys, this light has 3 light modes. You have your bright on, your second one is medium, and then you have your flashing mode when you push it again. And when you push it again, it's off. Now what you can do is, on the bright mode and the medium mode, you could dim the light down. What you do is you press and hold the button, press and hold it, and it's getting dimmer and dimmer, and I can let go whenever I want, if that's enough light for what I need. And if you push it again, it'll go into the second mode and into the flashing mode, of course. So you can do that with both first and second modes.
Alright guys, in this situation here, if you're ever stuck at the side of the road, this light is perfect for that. Not only will you be able to see what you're doing, others will see you also, which is very, very important. And as you can see here, there's plenty of light to see under the hood and to check out if there's any problem. And in flashing mode, not only will drivers be able to see you, but the people at the space station will be able to see you also.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this review on the Lighting Ever LED work light. I hope it helped you make a decision whether to purchase this. I will put any discount coupon codes in the description below. I will put the link to their Amazon page specifically for this light below, and I will also put a link to all their other products in the description below. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.